Hey everyone, I'm Cody. Myself and some of my colleagues are here today to guide you all along as we introduce you to Mailchimp and what you can do with your own Mailchimp account. In this video, we'll cover how to get started marketing in Mailchimp in 3 easy steps. We'll start by helping you get to know your audience, how to add contacts to it, and get it organized with tags. In Mailchimp, your audience is where you keep everything you know about everyone you know, so you can get a better understanding of the people who keep your business growing. After you have your audience all set up, we'll focus on your brand by introducing you to Mailchimp's Creative Assistant feature. We know it takes a lot of work to create professional on-brand designs. We'll show you how to use the Creative Assistant to help you generate a custom set of designs for your marketing content using your brand assets. Finally, we'll show you how to utilize those designs you built in the Creative Assistant to send marketing emails and messages right away so that you can build and strengthen your relationships with potential and existing customers. Before we get into those topics, we know that for many of you, this could be the first time you've looked into Mailchimp. So, we want to take a moment to introduce ourselves and tell you what we do. Our approach to marketing focuses on healthy contact management practices, powerful data analysis, and beautifully designed multi-channel campaigns. In Mailchimp, a campaign is what we call a marketing message that you share through email, ads, or some other channel. QuickBooks and Mailchimp enable you to see your marketing tools and financial data all in one place. So, whether you're an accountant, run a coffee shop, manage a dry cleaner, or sell your goods online, Mailchimp is here to meet your needs and help you grow your revenue with our advanced yet easy to use tools. With that, I'll pass this over to Rich, who will steer you through getting to know your Mailchimp audience.
Hi, I'm Rich and I'm here to talk about how to get started with your Mailchimp audience. Your audience is the hub for your contacts. It's designed to help you collect, organize, and manage everything you know about the people you do business with. Your marketing can generate the best return on investment when you take the time to build and maintain a healthy audience. Mailchimp has built-in tools to help you along the way. With the right data and organization, you can be sure to send the right messages to the right people at the right time. Whether you're starting from scratch or bringing existing customers from QuickBooks into Mailchimp, your audience stores and manages all your contact data, giving you a holistic view of your contacts. When you create an account, Mailchimp generates an audience for you and will add you as a contact. And for those of you who may be starting fresh with your audience, we have sign-up form options to help you start collecting subscribers. But if you already have a list of contacts that you want to add to your audience, there are several ways to do this. For example, when you connect your QuickBooks Online account to Mailchimp, you can sync your customers to your Mailchimp audience. You can share a form and wait for people to sign up or add subscribers one by one. Or, if you already have a list of contacts outside of your QuickBooks account, use Mailchimp's import tool to add all of them to your audience at once. All you need is a CSV file with their names, email addresses, and other useful data like birthdays. In Mailchimp, we recommend that you have one audience and utilize tags to keep it organized. This helps you get a complete view of the people who matter most to your business. It also makes it easier to target messages based on insights and ultimately sets you up for smarter growth. You can tag your audience based on a wide range of criteria. Tags are really just labels that are created to help you categorize your customers. If you connect your QuickBooks Online account to Mailchimp, we'll automatically tag your contacts as QuickBooks customers, which you can see on your audience dashboard when you review your recently updated contacts. After you create tags and add them to your contacts, you can send campaigns directly to tags in your audience, or use tags to build segments of your audience with shared data in order to help further target your contacts. Now let's walk through an example of how to use tags together. Let's say I recently hosted a pop-up event with my company, The Potted Planter, at my plant shop, and I wanted to send a follow-up email to the attendees who signed up for my mailing list. And this will encourage them to book a plant care consultation. I could add a tag to the contacts who attended the event and signed up as pop-up customers, and set up an email campaign to send them a link for their first booking. Or, for example, if you get a potential client referral through your website form, you may want to send a welcome email to contacts tagged as new clients, letting them know more about the services that you offer. How you choose to interact with your contacts is all a part of your overall marketing strategy. To learn more about your contacts and how to best connect with them, we encourage you to check out the Audience Dashboard. Here, you can review recent growth trends, top tags, locations, and engagement trends based on how often your subscribed contacts open and click your emails, as well as their purchase likelihood. Now that you have a better understanding of your audience and how to import and organize your contacts, I'll pass this over to Dimitri, who will go over how Mailchimp can help you create beautiful, on-brand designs for your business with the Creative Assistant feature.
Hey there, I'm Dimitri, and I'll be walking you through Mailchimp's Creative Assistant feature. We know that when you run or manage a business, you have to wear a lot of different hats, and creating marketing designs often falls to the wayside. That's where the Creative Assistant steps in. Mailchimp's Creative Assistant is an AI-powered design tool that makes beautiful, multi-channel designs for your brand in seconds. By simply entering your website's URL, this tool gets to know your brand and then creates a brand kit along with unique designs that are professional, beautiful, and consistent across your channels. After you've input your website's URL, we'll do the heavy lifting for you, collecting colors, fonts, images, and logos from your website and landing pages. You can then easily insert these designs into a campaign, helping you to look like the business you want to be. In Mailchimp, you can access the Creative Assistant through your Content Studio in your account. When you begin a new project, we'll ask you what you want to accomplish with your designs. You'll have the option to create new design, to move forward with a helpful survey to get you started. Your brand settings are the logo, fonts, colors, and personality traits that the Creative Assistant uses to generate your designs. You can manually update or change your brand settings depending on the business, product, or marketing campaign you're working on. Let's walk through these Creative Assistant options. A logo is a great way to help customers quickly identify your business. Include it in your designs to grow brand recognition. When the Creative Assistant builds brand settings from your website or landing pages, it will identify the fonts you use in your marketing. If those fonts aren't available, it'll use the closest match. If you want to use your own fonts, you can always upload them. It will also collect the colors you use in your marketing. The Creative Assistant will try to assess the personality of your brand, but you can adjust this to suit your preferences. To help you pick a style that matches your vision, the inspirational mood board will display default examples of designs in those styles. Beautiful designs are one thing, but also being able to resize and publish them easily from multiple platforms is what makes the Creative Assistant so great. And all these options can be customized as needed. And when you're ready, select to save your design to your design library. You can now use this design in your marketing campaigns going forward, just like that. With that, I'm now going to pass this over to Brittany to help you get started sending email marketing campaigns. Take it away, Brittany.
Thanks, Dimitri. I'm Brittany, and I'll tell you a little bit about regular email campaigns in Mailchimp. A regular email campaign is a bulk email sent to many contacts at once. It's a great way to share news and updates, highlight your products and services, share promo codes, or just connect with your audience. Sending out regular, engaging email marketing is a great way to boost engagement, promote company updates, and provide value to your customers. In order for people to read your company's newsletters, though, it has to look good. This is where Mailchimp comes into play. Using Mailchimp's email design tools, you can easily create newsletters and other creative assets that align with your brand style. As we mentioned in the previous section, one of the quickest and easiest ways to design a campaign in Mailchimp is to use our Creative Assistant. Once you choose an audience to send emails to and name your campaign, you can start taking advantage of our email design platform. So let's say I want to send a regular email campaign with a promo code to everyone that has used my services in the last 6 months. I'll click the Create icon and choose Email. On the Regular tab, I'll enter a campaign name and click Begin to start building. There's a checklist here that will help me navigate through each step as I choose my recipients and fill in the name, subject line, and content of the email. I'll click Add Recipients, choose a segment or tag, and we'll use this QuickBooks customer tag that was applied to everyone brought into Mailchimp through QuickBooks integration and personalize the To field to display the recipient's name instead of their email address. Next, I'll edit who the email is from, and I'll save those settings. Then, I'll edit the subject and preview text. I think this subject line will get people's attention. And I'll add this for preview text, which will display next to the subject line in the recipient's inboxes. Now for the fun part, choosing a design and adding some content. First, I'll click Design Email. Mailchimp provides different customizable templates to help you create the right look for your email marketing. Our template builder makes it easy to add your logo and pick different colors and fonts so you can create a reusable template for your future email campaigns. I already have a previously designed template here, which utilizes some designs I created in the Creative Assistant, and so I'll use this one. Then, I'll customize it with a special offer for my customers. The email builder includes different types of content blocks that I can mix and match as needed. I'll come here to the preview section to check out how this will look on desktop and mobile devices. This looks good, so I'll click Continue to return to the checklist. Before I schedule my email, I'll come down below my checklist and review some additional options, such as the settings and tracking for this email. When you create a regular email campaign, Mailchimp enables certain tracking options by default. This includes open and click tracking, as well as e-commerce tracking if you have a connected online store. And that's it. You've created your first regular email campaign. The only thing left to do is schedule it or send it right away. So to wrap things up, I'll pass it back to Cody.
Hey again. We've just gone through organizing your audience, building your brand, and sending your first marketing message. Way to go. Now, are you ready to get started using Mailchimp? Signing up for an account is easy. To create an account, navigate to Mailchimp's sign-up page at mailchimp.com/signup. When you sign up for a Mailchimp account, you'll enter your name and email address, and we'll send you an activation email. When you receive the activation email, click the link to activate your account. The next time you log into our website, we'll walk you through the rest of the setup steps. You'll input profile details such as your website and physical address and connect your social media accounts. If you sell products online, you'll have the option to connect your store to Mailchimp. Now, we've covered a lot today. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our help center at mailchimp.com/help. Here, you can search help topics in our guides and tutorials, chat with our help bot, connect with our award-winning support team, and more. Most importantly, we hope you walk away today feeling more confident in getting started and using your own Mailchimp account. And from everyone here at Mailchimp, thank you so much for watching.